swear I'll try. In the end, it's in midnight. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup look, and it's kind of a pinkish, glittery tone makeup look. By the way, it looks kind of brownish, but if you could see it up close, it's kind of pink and stuff like that. So you could go out with your friends, your boyfriend, your husband, go to the movies, go to dinner, stay at home, watch Netflix, I don't even know. Anything you are gonna do on Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. And yeah, I'm not a pro at this, but yeah, let's get started. So I did my eyebrows and I concealed it off camera. So now I'm gonna use my Sephora Pro palette like I always do. I'm gonna use Cocoa and Burnt Umber. I'm just gonna use a lighter shade, and it's always the light shade that I'm always using, and it's this one right here. And I'm gonna put that on my crease. Burnt Umber, and it's this color right here, and I'm just gonna tap it. And these roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. And I'm gonna put Cocoa and just put it on the side. Like night into morning, I miss the opening. Now I'm gonna take the Carly Bible 10 color eyeshadow BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here and put it on my lid. And I'm gonna use the Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. I'm gonna use Buzz and Dust together. I'm gonna take Strange in the Naked 3 and put it on my brow bone. Now I'm going to use my foundation. The foundation that I have been using is the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm in the color 280. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand and dot it on my face. And I'm going to use my Damn Beauty blender and blend. Next, I am using my Nourish Concealer in Medium 1 Custard, and I'm always using this concealer as well. So, comment down below any concealers that you like, and I'll try it out. The endless journey, I need not worry. I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far, beyond where you are. So after I put my foundation on, I bake, and I do it with the Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and I just bake my under eyes and other places. And I'll keep on growing. I miss the opening. So as I bake, I am going to do my eyeliner, and this is the same eyeliner that I use, and it's the MAC eyeliner in Rapid Black, and I'm going to line my eyes. So now I'm gonna dust off the powder. Now I'm gonna use the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm gonna use these two shades on the bottom to contour or bronze up my face. Guess I'm better off alone. Never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way. I'm gonna use this pink from Tarte, and it's the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and it's in Doll Face. Okay, since I haven't done my lashes yet, we are gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro Mascara to just put on some mascara on my lashes. So I'm gonna put these Ardell Demi Lashes. It's $120. Put it with this lash glue, and it's the dual brush on adhesive with vitamins, and I'm gonna get back to you. I am done putting on my lashes. Now I'm gonna put bottom mascara. Now I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette, and I'm gonna use Kitty Cat, and this is the pinkish shade over here, and highlight my cheekbones. So for lips, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss and toffee. Guys, I almost forgot, and this is like the end of the video, but I almost forgot the bottom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what part of the makeup look you like the best, and any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.